In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts while writing comments in Shortcut. First, open Shortcut and navigate to the story where you want to leave a comment. Once the story is open, scroll down until you reach the Comments section. This is where you can add feedback, updates, or any formatted notes you want to share with your team. Next, click inside the comment editor to place your cursor there. Once the editor is active, start writing your comment as you normally would. The main advantage here is that instead of manually clicking formatting options, you can use keyboard shortcuts to speed up the process and keep your hands on the keyboard. As you write, you can apply different formatting styles using shortcut keys. If you want to turn a line into a large heading, use Ctrl, Shift, and 1 for an H1 heading. For a slightly smaller heading, use Ctrl, Shift, and 2 for H2. If you need an even smaller heading, use Ctrl, Shift, and 3 for H3. These heading shortcuts are useful when you want to organize longer comments into clear sections. For inline text formatting, use Ctrl and B to make selected text bold. This is helpful for emphasizing important details or action items. Use Ctrl and I to italicize text when you want a lighter emphasis, or to distinguish certain words or phrases. If your comment includes a sequence of steps or ranked items, you can create an ordered list with Ctrl, Shift, and 7. This is especially useful for structured feedback, instructions, or progress updates that need to be easy to follow. Continue formatting your comment using these shortcuts as needed while you write. This can make the commenting process much faster, especially if you regularly add detailed or structured responses in Shortcut. Once your comment is complete, take a moment to review the formatting directly in the editor. Make sure your headings, bold text, italics, and numbered lists appear the way you expect. If you want an extra check before posting, click Preview to see how the formatted comment will look. When everything looks good, click Save Comment. After saving, verify that the formatted comment appears correctly in the conversation thread. This final check helps confirm that your formatting was applied successfully and that your comment is clear and easy for others to read. That's how to use keyboard shortcuts while writing comments in Shortcut.